Courage to Love.
Evie the Bird's Skyward Journey.
At dawn, Evie the bird soared skyward, determined to find the edge of the sky. She flew over mountains and lakes, feeling ever-changing winds. Among the clouds, she saw painted dawn hues. Above peaks, she smelled fragrant pine. Along the way, she joined a flock of geese and learned a formation flying. In a sudden storm, she braved the rain-soaked winds without fear. When sunlight returned, the world seemed reborn, and her heart sang with joy, returning home under a fiery sunset. She whispered, "The higher you fly, the wider your view. Curiosity lifts your heart."